Welcome to this season's bathroom renovation project. So we spend a lot of time in our bathrooms. They're meant to be our sanctuary, but in our case, the bathroom was dated, the decor was not to our taste, it was cramped with a shower cubicle and a bathtub, and the sink was in front of the window, meaning that we couldn't even have a proper mirror in front of us. Not great at all, is it? I mean, just look at this border, purple and green and blue all together. So our plan to make the space look bigger was to first of all remove the shower cubicle and place a new vanity, freestanding vanity in that space, and then to keep the toilet facing exactly the same way but replace that with a wall hang toilet frame, which gives the illusion of a bigger space. On the opposite side, where the bathtub currently stands, we'll replace this one with a new shower bathtub, have a bath screen as well there, and make sure that the radiator moves to the appropriate position below the window.